proceeding. Okay, this is their website. This looks pretty good. Back Valley, SSCC, Battle Town. Okay, Battle Town. Connection is secure. Okay. Mission mate versus Kaiju Hunt. Mission completed. Okay. Join the fight. Maybe there are some games going on. I gotta connect the wallets, and maybe you have to be a holder. Back alley, there is. Back to world map. Why don't you connect your MetaMask wallet, and I can see what we can do for you. Sorry. So yeah, for more information, you gotta connect your wallet. From in dark times, where you connect your MetaMask. Okay. So everyone asks for MetaMask. So this is their Twitter. Their Twitter got 65k followers. What was their collection size? There were 23.5k collection size. That's pretty huge. Comparing with the Twitter followers, was the Australian from New Tokyo. Shop there, rise and battle.com. Happy birthday. Okay, sorry to this ends tonight. Then I Kaiju. No way I'm gonna let this old man protect the city without me. Yeah, so there's games going on, some between different projects. I don't got a city to project. Who am I? Sitting to banded together like so that's also a very nice project. Looks. Let me see the activity. Especially I like the art idea. Oh, there's not only socks. There are other things too. Just like this one is a crafted cap, right? Yeah, crafted hat. Okay. Last sold for 0.5 Ethereum. 9 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes. Nice. This one sold for 0.9. That's pretty nice. This one sold for 3.5. That's huge. So this is a hoodie. Okay, crafted hoodie. Nice. That's something like so. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you. We have talked about so many top projects today. I think we have covered. Yeah. That's the union gang. I was trying to find it. Okay, their FP is pretty low. I thought it would be a good one. 0.02. Yeah. That was also a branding project. Okay. That's it. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.